Hi, I'm Tony Poulos and I'm here today with Ian Pattison, who's the International CTO for Mavenir. Ian, welcome.
Thank you.
Mavenir, what are you focusing on as a company at the moment?
This year we're really focusing on two main drivers for the business. One is actually VoLTE launches, and the other one is network function virtualization, better known as NFV.
Well, the industry's been talking about VoLTE for years. Why is it happening now?
You're absolutely correct, because the early launches for VoLTE were in 2012, and Mavenir launched the first VoLTE network worldwide. But there were some inhibitors in general markets. One was device availability for SRVCC to allow voice call continuity back to the 3G, and the other one was capacity and rollout of the LTE coverage. We're seeing these issues addressed now, and we'll be seeing the large-scale VoLTE deployments in both North America and in Europe in 2014.
But is it just VoLTE we're talking about?
No, it's not just VoLTE. VoLTE is the driver for the change in the network, but what we see is once people deploy VoLTE or buy into deploying VoLTE, they're also looking at what else they can do with the IMS technology. And the two main other areas we see are voice over Wi-Fi and also RCS. And with NFV technology, where we can fully virtualize these solutions as well, it's a very cost-effective way to introduce more than just a VoLTE service.
And how can Mavenir help operators?
In particular, Mavenir have experience of doing these VoLTE deployments worldwide, so we can bring our experience and what it takes actually to have a high-quality VoLTE network available quickly in the market. The second part we bring is the ability to virtualize our solutions in the concept of network virtualization that we addressed at the beginning.
You mentioned NFV, or network function virtualization. What are the challenges that operators are facing at, and what can you do to help them out?
Yeah, NFV is very interesting. It's very hot, as you say. Many people are actually talking about NFV. We've actually been doing this for multiple years now, for 2 years now. NFV is really, it's not just about taking existing network elements and putting them into a virtual container. It's about enabling dynamic capacity expansion. It's about a new model for the convergence of the service layer in a mobile network to bring CapEx and OpEx benefits. But it's not just about the services layer, it's also about taking it down to the packet layer as well, and about optimizing the packets in the network. And that's why we, Mavenir, this week announced our virtualized or NFV compliant packet core.
And do you think it's possible that we'll soon see fully virtualized networks controlled by software-defined networks?
Yes, of the VoLTE deployments we're doing this year, many of these will actually be based on virtualization and the first steps of NFV technology this year. I think in general, the user plane will be a little behind, and we'll see a fully virtualized user plane in 2015. But this year, we are doing virtualized NFV compliant VoLTE deployments.
Ian, that's great catching up and great for enlightening me on what's happening in VoLTE and NFV. Thank you.
Thank you very much.